To clean the filters on an Amana dishwasher with a manual dishwasher filter, turn the upper filter assembly a quarter turn counterclockwise and lift it out. Then pull out the lower filter. Rinse off the filters under running water. You should be cleaning off the filters routinely. A common recommendation is to clean the filters every 2 to 4 months depending on how often you use the unit and how well you scrape off the dishes. Replace the lower filter by sliding it under the tabs. Insert the upper filter and turn it clockwise until it locks in place.